This is our 1992 Mitsubishi Pajero SUV. This one is the turbo diesel model with the 4D56 Mitsubishi Turbo Diesel. This one is the XP trim level. And overall, it's very clean on the exterior. No major things to point out. Still has the original fog lights and grille guard. The only thing that's been changed on this is the steering wheel. It's been swapped out with a Nardi steering wheel. The wooden outer rim. This one has 184,000 kilometers, so around 110,000 miles. Seats are in good shape. Everything in here looks good. It's an automatic with the Super Select Mitsubishi transfer case, so that allows you to switch into four-wheel drive while you're moving. Dash looks good. Everything works well. AC blows cold. Moving to the back seat. Same story here. Seats are clean, no tears or major stains. You have your rear heat controls there. And then around the back here, you got your spare tire stored there, as well as a ladder. And then in the back, it looks like the previous owner installed a cargo cover and removed the third row seats. So the seats and all the mounting hardware are included. But right now it has a cargo cover set up, so you can just remove that, put the seats back in, and all would be good. And there's also the Pajero step down there. That's very intact. Usually those are pretty rusty, so that's actually an indicator of the overall condition of the vehicle sometimes. But you can see in here, the frame looks okay. There's no rust on this guy. It also has a very recent inspection, good through 2020. Up there you can see that sticker. Then we can go ahead and open the hood. There you go. There is the top mount intercooler. It has only a single battery in this one, but everything looks to be good. Everything is clean. There's your VIN number plate back there. All looks good. So yeah, that is our 1992 Mitsubishi Pajero XP. This one is very simple, good for mail delivery or just recreational use. Or it's a stock version, you can turn it into whatever you want it to be. So yeah, that's all. It's here for sale in Seattle, Washington. You can see more on our website at jdmcarandmotorcycle.com.